Renewal, an exhibition that celebrates the transformative power of art and the beauty of cultural identity. So it's hosted here at the Reef Island Resort Mactan, and this event invites us to discover the harmony that you creativity, heritage, and creation. So to officially open our program, may I invite our gracious host and one for this leadership. Yes, of honor, yes, Senator Obrens, General Manager of the Reef Island Resort, deliver the opening remarks. Hi, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the Reef Island Resort Mactan, it is my absolute pleasure to welcome you to Heritage and Healing, Art of the Renewal, an extraordinary exhibit organized by artists beyond borders, and we are honored to host the celebration of culture, resilience, and expression. And the Reef, we strive to be a sanctuary for connection and renewal, a vision beautifully reflected today through art's power to bridge generations and honor our past and inspire new. We are privileged to have several distinguished guests with us today. Ms. Alex 𝐸𝐭𝐚𝐠𝐞, the president of the Cebu Alliance Tour Operations Specialist. We also have Mr. Dexter Olazas, renowned Cebuano fashion designer and champion of traditional oblong weaving. We have Ms. Christine 𝐸𝐿, award-winning author, illustrator, and Seven Arts brand ambassador. Mr. Frank Galan, a legendary 81-year-old master watercolorist from Cebu. And our guest of honor, of course, Regional Director Janina Assistant Plus, 𝐸𝐞𝐫𝐢𝐭𝐚𝐠𝐞. RD, thank you for your unwavering support of Cebu's arts and tourism. For participating artists, thank you for sharing your hearts and stories with us. Our gratitude also goes to Artists and Beyond Borders for uniting and unity through this platform. May this exhibit bring you inspiration, healing, and a renewed spirit. Welcome to the Reef. Thank you and enjoy the exhibit. 𝐸𝐿 Press. Now, we formally welcome us and share the vision behind this exhibition that is here from the founder of Artists Beyond Borders, Ms. 𝐸𝐿.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Heritage and Healing, Art as Renewal. Artists Beyond Borders is a community of local artists who bound ourselves to one common goal, to be able to share to more people the gift that is left to us through creating art pieces. Each piece is an expression of how we felt during the creation. Thank you to our honored guests for sharing with us your precious time and experience so we may be able to grow more. Ms. Gina Aziz Nifas, Ms. Aisha Miladin, Ms. Christine Lim, Ms. Reverend Galan, Dexter Alazas, and Sir Jerry Fernandez. We are grateful to the Reef Island Resort for sharing with us your beautiful space to showcase our artworks. Thank you, Sir Harley. It is with people like you who are generous that gives us inspiration and encouragement, and they encourage us to be more artworks. Thank you to all participating artists for giving time, love, effort to produce this amazing artwork that is here today. Let's go in the great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Chua. To honor the season of Artists and Renewal, we are privileged to hear from a leader who champions culture and creativity. So we call on Ms. Jolina Azas-Limpas, ENP, OIC Regional Director of the Department of Tourism, to share her message.
Yung hapon, bubukin baya to all of us who are here. So it's such, when I arrived, the feeling is such, a renewal project after our team this afternoon. So allow me to dispense the acknowledgement of the very organizations celebrating us today. But of course, I will not dispense this item Shua because I think it's been 3 months that she's been following this up, making sure, ensuring that the only bonus is very important gathering and considering that main attention of this celebration. So thank you very much, Ms. Irene, for that. And of course, we're also staple overs here for tourism would like to make the most of this gathering as well. And I'd like to address now. In my message is answered more. So heritage and healing art as renewal reminds us that creativity could go beyond expressions. It can be restoration as well. It strengthens our communities, keeps our cultural narratives alive, and reflects the resilience and imagination that define or symbolize heritage. And that is something that I really will follow as I go around and see it for myself, the exhibits for myself. Art is our living heritage, alive and can be fresh through every story, every vision, the support, the memory, and the meaning. Exhibitions like this affirm that creativity is essential. It heals, it connects, and it shapes the cultural backbone that makes our destinations authentic and most importantly compelling so that we wouldn't miss to visit us every time we come to see around. In tourism, authenticity is everything. Travelers today, these 6 stories, they are no longer just authentic sitting inside the bus. They seek encounters. They hunt treasures. Our artists become storytellers themselves, turning our destinations into experiences and experiences into lasting immersions. And indeed, these are the real reasons why we keep coming back. This is why, at the Department of Tourism, we continue to champion creative tourism as a pillar of sustainable development. Across the country, we are building creative tour circuits that highlight the artisans, cultural practitioners, heritage districts, and creative commerce. And right here in Cebu, we mark a major milestone with the launch of the LAPU-LAPU City Art Gallery and Cultural Hub just last June, a space that showcases illustrations of our living traditions, offering narratives worthy of global attention. It stands as a testament to how local creativity elevates regional identity. So at this time, I'd like to ask you if you have been to Lapu-Lapu City Cultural Hub, Art Gallery, and Chalapa. It should be part of the itinerary, so I assume that we are all here already. Perhaps this could be our next go-to after our celebration here. Now, Central Visayas has always been a cradle of creativity, and Cebu stands proudly at the forefront. Our recognition as a UNESCO Creative City of Design confirms our place as a global creative bank, showcasing our craftsmanship, design heritage, and contemporary creative industries as shown in the products that we offer to the world sa ato ang mga experts. This momentum continues as Cebu prepares to host the upcoming UN Creative Cities Landmark meeting this is in September. With the support of UNESCO and our local partners. This gathering will bring global creative leaders to our shores, and that's why we're very excited about it, strengthening Cebu's role as a regional creative hub. So today's exhibition at the Reef, finally, because also our GM here has been requesting and asking us to be around, so we're finally here, and I'll take time to come around after the ceremony is here. This creates a space where heritage, healing, and renewal converge, where art becomes a bridge between communities, cultures, and visitors seeking deeper meaning. Now, I don't want to end my message without a call for action because, this is why we're gathered here because we want to share something. I don't want to partake in something new. So as we move forward, let us continue sharing artistic demonstrations, especially of our maritime heritage, because this is who we are. And the very core of all of us is our being in maritime. Being a maritime part of our maritime tradition. So, from boat making traditions and sea crafts making traditions to coastal rituals and highland life narratives, our island destinations offer sea country experiences. This is something that not all countries and destinations will offer. This is something that we offer. We can offer to the rest of the world. Our sea country experiences define who we are as people of the sea. We share who we are. These stories deepen visitor appreciation and strengthen our cultural identity. Now let today be a celebration of the Cebuano creative spirit, resilient, expressive, and ever-evolving. A celebration of our Cebuano heritage, deep, diverse, and proud ours, and a reaffirmation that creativity drives tourism. In fact, in most instances, there is less appreciation without without arms or visiting a certain destination. It empowers communities and of course sustains our cultural identity. Now, on behalf of 𝐇𝐞𝐿 Region 7, we extend our heartfelt congratulations to Eileen and the rest of your team, the artists beyond borders of the Reef Island Resort for this meaningful initiative that they're all about to someone. May this exhibition spark more collaboration like place arts, culture and creativity at the forefront of sustainable tourism. Let this be our lengthy journey. Tayo kapag sa talagang sila.
Thank you so much, Mr. Faz. So at this point, allow me to once again acknowledge our distinguished guests of honor. So first, we have Ms. Alice Rigalvin, President of the Cebu-based Operations Center. The next round is Associate Vice PhD, Vice Executive Director, for Government of Tourism. We have Ms. Solana Jr. as General Manager of the Reef Island Resort. Next, we have Mr. Dexter Alazas, Cebuano fashion designer, creative director, and cultural advocate known for championing sustainable fashion and the revival of Cebu's traditional Abuan movement. With these designs, let's commemorate style and Filipino heritage while empowering program artists and artisans. Mr. Lim, award-winning international author and illustrator, art enthusiast, and brand ambassador of certain arts portfolio and training. Her work highlights foreign exhibits of fancy, friendship, and faith. We have Mr. Red Galat, who is nationally awarded as one artist for his impressionistic watercolor images of people and the flames relevant to their daily life. Lastly, we have Mr. G. Fernandez, President of Philippine Leaders Association. So thank you all. We're deeply grateful for your presence and support. So of course, this exhibition would not be possible without the artists whose works embody healing and renewal. So let us also recognize the balance behind heritage and healing art as renewal. So for seascape and landscape category, we have the artists 𝐸𝐭�𝐿, Greg Galan, AJ Cazono, Eduardo Solana Jr., Carlo Vladimir Bagueza, James Abaco, David Alfaro, Andres Cano, and Don Pablo. So please come and try to
Sige, tang-tang.
Okay, one. The sellers of the day. One. Thank you, everyone. So I suppose the formal part of our program is to express our deepest gratitude to everyone who made this exhibition possible. The artists, the organizers, collaborators, and promoters continue to believe in the healing power of art. The heritage in healing, art and renewal inspire us. CBP restoration only to honor our roots and to nurture the creative spirit within us all. Thank you everyone and enjoy the exhibit. Resorts are located upstairs to the lounge, just up the stairs to the right. Before we go up to the cocktails, let's all have your name. So,